bulijjo mmanyi percentage ya weed mu cookie ntono. Because I used to see people eating it nga bali fine. Nga simanyi nti their bodies are just used to it. Kati nze jjukira nze nali sinywangako weed. I fear the smoked weed nga manyi it's super strong. And there's a way weed makes you nze I was on slow motion. Whatever you do is on slow motion. Kati nze I'm someone who loves watching. But that day, I was in front of TV nga ndaba nti TV, yes, nga ntegeera nti eno TV. Ninga kigenda maaso, what is happening inside the TV? Nga sibitegeera.
Ebyembi bisekerwa. Mwana muwala atunyumiza experience ye ey'okulya enjaga gye bateeka mu bukukwi nanti babeera bagenda girya buli. Waliwo ey'okufuweeta, waliwo n'ey'okulya. Naye lwaki ngamba ebyembi bisekerwa? Mwana muwala Muyisiraamu bulungi nnyo naye owulira emboozi gy'ali mu kubeera ng'anyumya. Mwana wattu ekwasa n'ennaku naye ate ofunamu ekyokuyiga naddala gw'atanywanga ku njaga oba tagikozesangako. Togyesibaako gamba mbukangezese nedda enjaga gyesonyiwere ddala. Bobi Wine yayimba n'agamba enjaga mbi nnyo ekyankalanya n'obwongo togigezangako muganda wange omusomi. Kankutereka emboozi ya mwana muwala ono n'omulundi gwe ogwasooka okubeera ng'akozesa enjaga olabe kye yamutuusaako. Kwaniriza nnyo wano ku SMX Media nange SMX One tubeera ne updates si buli lunaku buli kiseera. Story ojjira bwe tugikolera esinga okubeera ekikulu nti story zaffe tuzikonvatinga zibeera nga ziweewuka ddatawo aleme kubeera ng'agenda mu gikangu. Saba subscribing onigende ku notification bell tojja kubeera mu missing updates naddala nga zino. Bino
mwe bulijjo mmanyi percentage ya weed mu cookie ntono. Because I used to see people eating it nga bali fine. Nga simanyi nti their bodies are just used to it. Kati nze jjukira nze nali sinywangako weed. I fear the smoked weed nga manyi it's super strong. Mwakuwano. The one in the cookie is strong. Kati nze nga simanyi which is stronger. So I went for the one in the what? Because nga ndaba weed ya cookie. Nga ndaba it is cooked, it's like food, it's in the cooking. Nga ndaba teyina effects because the other one they smoke even can make your lips black. Kati ngamba eno ya cookie eri awo teri strong. You get gasirabangako omuntu akubiddwa from that weed. I got one. I ate. Kati weed ya cookie teyina immediate effect nga weed ya smoke nga mwenge or weed ya smoking. I think you can eat the cookie and even forget about it for an hour. You get that there is no anything. That's what happened to me. I ate half and the girl who makes them young Sheila no reduce the speed you're eating that weed. Cutting I'm eating, I'm not even feeling the weed. Kalinga you can smell it in the cookie but you don't taste it. Ngamba otisa ngamba Shira stop eating that cookie ngamaze okulya half ngamba fetuli strong nawe ngamba it has not yet even reached my body, even it has been almost 30 minutes I'm not feeling anything, but dear I ate the other half. After an hour I went to my room and I started feeling like I want to shower. I felt like I wanted to shower. Guys, it's not hot. After showering, I put on nightwear. I think it was just 6. Sawa 12 kaongezi nga nyambadde night. Babi kwano nga nyambadde night. Naye nga mpulira akamunguluze. Kati there is that kamunguluze for alcohol. And there's kamunguluze for alcohol, then there's kamunguluze for weed. Actually, the one of weed, sweet, it's different. the other one shakes your whole existence. My whole existence was shaking. Way. That evening, I put on my nightwear, and there was a woman who was washing for me clothes. She came. I normally give her 15. Kati, she came. She told me 15k. But dear, I removed the money from my pocket. Nga sente nga ziri mu ngalo. Ninga sizitegeera. I caught the money trying to give the woman who washes for me. She wanted 15,000. Ngamba, are you going to give me balance? Ngamba banange shira te balance. Balance, which balance? You have told you 15k. Ngamba, are you sure that's 15k? Atenga nsente nzirawa. Ninga sisinga. Ngantandise okubeera confused. Ate now nga ndi ku stage. So nga tenaba nga the weed is not yet in the blood. It was just starting. Imagine it was just starting. Ninga sitegeera. Kati mbandi yao. I removed the night. Kumbe my friend who makes the weed, she was noticing the changes. Kati, I went back to my room. Ngandaba at a night nga city comfortable night, and then I put on a dress again. I put on another dress in place of the night. You can now, that's the third cloth. Nengenda ku TikTok. That's the most app I use. I went to my bed, but dear, I felt like I was levitating. I don't know how they say levitating in Luganda, but have you ever felt ngoni mubanga? I felt like I was like, no, I won't be here. I left my bed. I went to my friend, that friend of mine who makes the weed. I went to her room. But sweet, when I went to her room, my eyes are fucking red. They are red. I went to her room. Sweet. Vanessa, I can't sleep. She was called Vanessa. I can't sleep. Her eyes are red. You know what? Go and vomit. Go and vomit. It will get better. I went, I vomited my heart out. You people, I vomited. Nenga the weed it's too late. Nga weed is in my blood. Weed is in my blood. And there's a way weed makes you. I was on slow motion. Whatever I do is on slow motion. Katinze, I'm someone who loves watching, but that day I was in front of TV. TV, yes. Ngantege TV. Ninga chigenda maso. What is happening inside the TV? Nga sibitegeera. Ngandaba TV. Ninga, I don't know. They are speaking in English. Those are the series that I watch. But that day I could just watch it. I could see this is the TV, but I don't know what's happening inside. Oh, Montegi. I was seeing pictures. I was seeing things. I would be there and someone is on the window. No one is there. You people, hey. I was like, me and weed. I people who smoke weed, I respect.